this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a handstand wall run, which is an amazing progression to build strength and get you up to doing a face-to-wall handstand, something that's very scary for a lot of people. Now make sure you stick around right to the end because I'm going to teach you some critical steps that you need to take in order to master this technique. All that and more coming up.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Hi, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister, co-founder and co-creator of the Foundation Movement System and Unity Gym, where health is measured by the way you perform and feel, not just by the way you look, and where we teach you how to nourish and move instead of diet and exercise. Welcome to the Handstand Wall Run. This is really starting to take it up a notch now. We're getting you very close to doing your face-to-wall handstand. Now what Richard's going to do is start roughly in that 45-degree face-to-wall handstand position. Then he's going to walk his hands back until he's in the face-to-wall handstand. He's going to hit the position and then he's going to walk back out and do as many reps as he can like that. Now for a beginner, honestly doing 2 reps of this, so in, out, is very, very tough. But as many as you can do is obviously better. Couple of pointers to watch out for here is the first one is that you maintain a hollow body through the whole thing. So we're going to suck the stomach in, tense the bum and create a posterior pelvic tilt. Number 2 is always pushing away from the ground. Number 3 is that when you get in to that face to wall handstand, you think of these cues. Push away from the ground as hard as you can, push your nose against the wall, push your pelvis against the wall and keep your knees together with your toes straight, okay? So let's have a look at Richard do it. So you can see he's really working on a hollow body here. He gets up against the wall, presses in, and then he comes back out. Keeping the hollow body, he's not letting his back arch, and then he goes back in, presses against the wall, and then comes back out. Awesome, thanks Richard. Now, as you get stronger with it, you can go out further. It's harder to walk out further with your hands and then to come back. At a much more advanced level, you can come to a point where your feet are going to be right down here, but we're just going to stick with the beginner version today. So make sure watch this video again if you need to see those cues, because I'm not going to say them again, just for ease to getting through this workout, but watch the video again to really make sure that you understand those cues, and that is the handstand wall run. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked this video and you want to see more of them, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click that notification bell because we do videos every single week. We upload them on Monday in Australia, which is Sunday over in Europe or in America. And if you want us to make any videos specifically for you, if you leave a comment to this video with anything that you'd like us to teach you, we will make a video of it, a tutorial, so that you can learn all about whatever it is that you want to know. And if you're not already a part of our online coaching program, we're actually offering 1 month free access to our FMS online coaching. That's an amazing offer for you, no strings attached. You can cancel it whenever you want. All you got to do is read the instructions in the description to this video and get yourself signed up to your first month free. And I will see you in our next video.
What are you doing?
10. 2 reps, then you can break, and I'll talk about it, and then 1 or 2 more from whatever.